guys, it's Satan's little brother. Today I'm going to be time-lapsing me doing, taking apart this Rubik's Cube and putting it back together. Anyway, let's just get started because why not? I'm just going to back up my camera a bit better. So, anyway, just dismantling it wouldn't be like in like a, I don't know, fast forward, and then after I've dismantled it, I'll just fast forward me putting it back together. It's not like I'm doing it to a 17 by 17 or anything, it's just, I don't know, I'm just practicing. I'm in a very awkward position though, so maybe I can move it because I'm just doing this on the carpet. Oh my gosh, this is very hard. Anyway, I'm just gonna quickly just unscrew the screwy thing because why not? You're probably pretty bored right now, so maybe you can just actually maybe don't skip because I'm just done. So I almost got the thing out. It's very hard. I'm just gonna move again. I don't know, I like moving. So anyway, yeah, if you hear my dad drumming in the background, just don't mind that because my dad likes to drum. Well, I'm on a roll now. I'm on a good roll. So I've practiced putting this back together like 4 times today. So, oh my gosh, I'm blocking the camera. So, oh, yep, explosions. Exploded everywhere. I just have to call. So, here's the time lapse of me putting it back together. And, please enjoy. Finally done. As you can see, the cube is fully back together. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.